Hi guys! We're back with another DIY tutorial of creating a stained glass effect with nail polish. Materials are very easy. You can use any sort of wire you want, be it an aluminium wire or any other wire which will not break easily and is also flexible. So I've used the plier here to just give the petals their shape. You can even do it with your hand or any other stick or any object if you want to. So here the first petal is done. It's simple, you just have to shape it in a drop form. Then continuing on that, we'll add more petals on this. So make sure you have a long enough wire. You have to continue making petals on the extended portion of the wire only. You can twist and turn it around as you like. Your petals need not be of the same length. A little difference is okay. So 4 petals are now done. I'll just be making the last petal. And it's done. As you can see, it has a little bit of extra stem also on it. Now I've kept it extra because I'm not yet sure if I want to make it into a ring or if I want to just keep it as it is or make it into a necklace or a earring. Now very simply, we just have to apply nail polish on the petals. So one petal at a time. First give it a border. Entire border of the wire you can cover with nail paint. And then you just have to spread the nail paint in such a way that it stretches in a way throughout the petal. Translucent nail polishes will give you the best look over here. They will actually look like stained glasses. It's done. It might take a few tries initially. It's very simple really. You just have to use the brush and take a lot of nail paint. Take like a whole drop of nail paint which might even drip and just spread it across the petal. You can do it on the front side or the back side of the petal. There is no strict format you have to follow. If you feel there is a slight gap after applying nail polish, you can just add a little more nail polish on it also. Do it carefully. You can also paint the borders on the back side of the flower as well. Depends on where you are going to use it. Now just to make it a little more fancy, I decided to add a glittery color on top of the petals. Glitter nail polishes aren't really suitable for this technique. They don't have enough thickness in the liquid, so it won't really spread well. But you can use them on top of any other color you've used. Like here, I just put a few dots on all of the petals. Now they're shining. Also the flower looks a little more colorful now. This is another flower which I made into an actual ring. I've also made a heart. I found it very cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try it out and share your creativity with us. Stay home, stay safe, have a fun quarantine. Bye bye.